When I get old, I'm gonna smoke cigars, chew on the end and spit on the ground. But my baby says she hates cigars, so I'll wait till I get old. When I get old, I'm gonna do as I please, walk in the sun and sleep under a tree. But my baby says, come stay with me, so I'll wait till I get old. And when I die, just let him cry. I'll lie on my back and look up at the sky. But my baby says,
you better not die,
so I'll wait till I get old. When I get old, I'm gonna drive a fast car, wear a leather jacket, eat my lunch in a bar. I'm not gonna spend my time at home, just wait till I get old. When I get old, I'm gonna whistle off key, tell dumb jokes to everybody I see. But my baby says,
you're embarrassing me,
so I'll wait till I get old. And when I die, just let him cry. I'll lie on my back and look up at the sky. But my baby says,
you better not die,
so I'll wait till I get old. When I get old, I'll fall asleep in a chair, I'll slump on down and start to snore. Sit up quick whenever someone comes near, just wait till I get old. When I get old, I'm gonna give you advice, tell you every day and you'll have to be nice. I'll tell you once, I'll tell you twice, I'll tell you 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. When I get old, I'm gonna live by the sea, paint pictures all day of what I see. My baby says she's coming with me, and we're not waiting, we're not waiting. And when I die, just let him cry. I'll lie on my back and look up at the sky. But my baby says,
you better not die,
so I'll wait till I get old. I'll wait till I get old.
Walk darkened streets, cold and alone. My steps tap lightly on the stones, a soft impression made. A leaf scrapes behind, driven by the wind. It too must make its noise, and it's louder than my own. A 13th century churchyard, inside grass is swaying. I look through the iron gate, the past now locked away. A bell toll makes me conscious of myself. Back feels the cold from a window, warmth is spreading. The breeze tugs gently at my beard. I wonder where I am going to.